Business research methodology. Basic terms used in business research methodology. Subject. All those economic activity whose aims is to earn profit is called as business. Research is creative and systematic work undertaken to increase the stock of knowledge. Methodology is the study of research methods. Business research is a process of acquiring detailed information of all the areas of business and using such information in maximizing the sales and profit of the business. Such a study helps companies determine which product or service is most profitable or in demand. Business research methodologies or research methodology for business. It includes many analysis such as market analysis, financial analysis, brand analysis, product analysis, risk analysis, comparative analysis, demand analysis, and distribution analysis. In addition, there are other analyses such as descriptive analysis, correlation analysis, reliability analysis, graphical analysis, regression analysis, etc. selected as the research methodology in thesis work. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Thesis Helper. Thanks for watching.